Welcome! In front of me I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on the phone. Before we start, make sure that the battery level on your phone is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, so now let's continue. First thing we need to do is to open the settings on our phone. You can do it by swiping upwards on the home screen to open the app menu, and then you can tap on the settings icon. In settings, you can scroll down, find the system option and tap on it to select it. In system, tap on the advanced and then select the reset options. Here, select the option called erase all data, then tap on erase all data and then tap erase all data to confirm. Sometimes you may get asked to enter the PIN, password or pattern if you have such feature enabled. So if you have enabled the screen lock, and you will need to enter the PIN, pattern or password to confirm, and then you can tap this button to continue. Okay, so let's tap on it and now wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the welcome screen, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.